Good morning, class 9th. How are you all? I hope you all are well, enjoying at home, studying well, right? Am I right? I hope, of course, I'm right. Okay, let's do the question answers of lesson number 11 from our Beehive book. And the name of the lesson is If I Were You. Okay? So first, we will discuss the question answers of our textbook. Question number 1. Answer these questions. At last, a sympathetic audience. Who says this? Gerard says this, right? Why does he say it? उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? He says this because the intruder becomes sympathetic towards him. Is he sarcastic or serious? Yes. No doubt he is sarcastic here. Next question. Why does the intruder choose Gerard as the man whose identity he wants to take on? उसने गेरार्ड को ही क्यों चूज किया और उसकी आइडेंटिटी को लेना चाहा? The intruder chose Gerard as the man whose identity he wants to take on because he is a kind of mystery man. Who is he here? Gerard is a man of mystery man. He phones his orders and sometimes goes away suddenly and come back just the same. वो अपने ऑर्डर फोन पे प्लेस करता था, अचानक कहीं जाता था और उसी समय वापस आ जाता था. So he is the man of mystery. So that only intruder wants to take the identity of Gerard. Third question. I said it with bullets. Now who says this? Who says this? Gerard says this. What was it mean? It means that he dealt with some situation by firing his gun. मीन्स कि वो कभी किसी ऐसी सिचुएशन में पड़ गया था कि उसे अपनी बुलेट्स यूज करनी पड़ी थी, उसे अपनी गन यूज करनी पड़ी थी. इज इट द ट्रुथ? व्हाट इज द स्पीकर्स रीजन फॉर सेइंग दिस? क्या ये सच था? और अगर नहीं था या था तो स्पीकर ने ऐसा क्यों कहा? उसके पीछे कारण क्या था? नो, इट इज नॉट द ट्रुथ. He wants that the intruder should change his idea of killing him. He just want to intruder make something scared of our hero Gerard. Actually वो उसको डरा ही जा रहा था. Intruder जो है वो Gerard की identity लेने आया था and he wants to kill him. And when Gerard came to know about the fact that intruder will kill him, so he make this story just to scare that intruder कि उसने भी किसी को मारा हुआ है. Next question. What is Gerard's profession? Quote the parts of the play that support your answer. Gerard is a dramatist. He says, sorry, I can't let you have the props in time for rehearsal. This statement shows that he was a dramatist. Next question. You will soon stop being smart. Who says this? The intruder says this. Why does the speaker say it? Why does the intruder say this statement? He says it because Gerard does not seem afraid of his gun even. क्योंकि उसको लग रहा था इंट्रूडर को कि जो गेरार्ड है वो उसकी गन से भी नहीं डर रहा है इंट्रूडर की. सो उसने कहा कि ज्यादा स्मार्ट बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. What according to the speaker will stop Gerard from being smart? According to the speaker, the bullet will stop Gerard from being smart. इंट्रूडर को लगा, स्पीकर को लगा कि अगर मैं शायद अपनी गन की पावर यूज करूंगा तो वो शायद जो स्मार्ट बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है, he will stop doing that. Question 6. They can't hang me twice. Who says this? The intruder says this. वो मुझे 2 बार फांसी पे नहीं लटका सकते. किसने कही थी ये बात? इंट्रूडर ने. Why does the speaker say it? इंट्रूडर ने ये क्यों कहा? The speaker says it because he wants to murder Gerard and he has already murdered someone. So the police cannot hang him twice. Question number 7. A mystery I propose to explain. What is the mystery the speaker proposes to explain? This is the turning point of the story. See, The speaker wants that the intruder should explain what mystery is associated with him. The mystery is about Gerard's placing his orders on telephone, and he goes out suddenly and returns in the same way. Question 8. This is your big surprise. Where has this been said in the play? Gerard speaks this line. He tells the intruder that if he is not hanged for his murder, he will certainly be hanged, being Vincent Charles Gerard. At this time, he utters these words. क्यों कही थी ये बात गेरार्ड ने? गेरार्ड ने ये बात इंट्रूडर को इसलिए बोली कि चाहे तुमने किसी कॉप को मारा है, तुम्हें चाहे पुलिस पकड़ के ना हैंग कर सके, कि तुम मेरी आइडेंटिटी ले लोगे, लेकिन तुम गेरार्ड बनकर भी फांसी पे चढ़ोगे, क्योंकि अगर तुम मेरी आइडेंटिटी ले लोगे तो तुम गेरार्ड बन जाओगे, और गेरार्ड बन जाओगे तो तुम्हें पुलिस फिर भी मारेगी. क्यों कही गेरार्ड ने ये बात? क्योंकि गेरार्ड ने इंट्रूडर को बताया था कि उसने भी कभी बुलेट्स यूज करी थी और किसी को मारा था. दैट्स वाई he says this. What is the surprise? The big surprise is that Gerard will not be killed by him. He is right in saying this. So this is the surprise of the story. I hope you all have understood this story. Today I will send you the same notes, and make proper notes in your fair notebook also. Okay? Thank you, class. Have a great day.